BMW F45, some 2 series, is not starting. It's starting, if it stands a little bit, it's starting for a couple seconds. Let's see. No, not starting. Oh, it was a little bit.
Oh,
It's
started?
but not starting. Here I have disconnected ABS. What else? Wipers. And after you wait couple minutes, it starts and shuts off after again 5 seconds. So what I thought, something wrong with ECU, but it looks nice, no water damage, nothing. So now I try to reach their other side of ECU. Something must be there, some relay or something, or here, I'm not sure. So now try to take out all battery and this plastic out, and gonna see. And look what we found. Take out that cover, and inside is relay. I'm sure this relay is problem because it's not starting car. So it's relay, and it's also we have fuses. I try to open that relay and see how looks contacts. And the relay is good. And it's still not running. It's same problem was not relay. Maybe I can show now, but now I have connected ABS control unit, so maybe it's not starts. Let's try. It's standing 15 minutes. Yes, it's not starting. Okay, go try to disconnect ABS. Yes. After disconnected, let's see what we have. It's same. No, nothing happens. And after many searches, I decided to open ECU because here looks like that, but it doesn't matter. Here was dry, everything dry, no nothing. So anyway, I decided to open that, and look what I found. Here some corrosion, here some water, and many water inside other side. Oh, here corrosion on this leg. So main reason is water damage inside engine control unit. Let's see what happens if I not coming too much, but in this corner, but it is water damage. I try to clean and insert it back and gonna see what's happening. And now this place looks a bit better, not shorting each other. And I'm gonna try to put it back. I have checked other side, looks nice. Here was just two places, here and here. Both places I fixed. So now try to install and see what happens. So now put everything together and we will see if battery is not too low. Let's see. If I turn on ignition and fuel pump is make sound, it's bad. No, is no sound, so it's good sign. Okay, moment of truth. Car is working. Voila. So problem was there. Oh la la. Engine control unit was damaged. Of water. Don't know from which place. And now I'm thinking maybe from connector, but who knows. Anyway, Mini and this BMW F45 2 series have same control unit engine and probably same thickness. So if you have like this, put some cover on engine control unit to be safer, to not get this, how to say, water in air. What is this English word? I don't know. Like, share and subscribe and write comment, and bye bye. What's left, put everything back, so gonna be nice and like new. All is finished, no need tow hook anymore. I need key. Let's try start one more time. And yes, starting. So like this repair was. Bye bye.